Hi everyone, I hope you are. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into Bitcoin once again. Thank you for your support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. Thank you to each and every single one of you. Thank you for your support. Thank you for the likes, the comments, the shares, everything. Thank you for subscription. Okay, do check me out on Twitter. I'm posting all sorts of content on there, regularly. Memes, updates, whatever, whatever I post, it's all there for you. Just get involved. The links are on coinskid.com and in each and every single video description. Okay, so right now, Bitcoin's came down the falling wedge just as it did in this correction. You bounced off the 1414. Here you're holding the 1414 as well. You're caught between the 1272 and the 1414. At the moment, you do look like you're putting in some kind of ascending triangle there at the moment. I'm going to have a look at that in a sec and zoom in. But I just want to reassure you, at the moment, you're holding the key level support for continuation of the trend, which is an uptrend. Higher highs, higher lows, find support, up she goes, basically. And there's nothing bearish about this chart at the moment until you lose a key level support. Once you lose a key level support, then yes, I will give you technical targets to the downside. But if I was to give you technical targets to the downside now, that would be hopium. Do you understand that? Yeah, there's no hopium about technical targets to the upside because you're holding level support for those targets. It's like I always say, if you break resistance and fall back to support, you're going to tackle resistance above again. Do you understand that? And it's here, you came down to a nominal level support, you held this 111-day moving average, you held this swing low, and like I said to you, swing high, swing low, hold support, and up you go. And you broke this resistance, you came up and you retraced this high, put in an impulsive break, job done. Okay, done the same again, come down a little bit overextended, coming back to a key level support, holding this swing high. If you do start to lose this swing high, straight away you can see, you got this support and a swing low down here at the low end of 40k. Lose that, negative. Not negative at the moment. Do you understand that? So you're holding the 111-day moving average in a falling wedge, holding a 1414. So you're bossing it at the minute, okay, for Bitcoin. It's bossing it. And let's take a look at the RSI. The RSI is in a lovely little level to get the bounce and come back up. Okay, let's take a look at the weekly. So the weekly RSI is coming back down as well. And you're still making higher highs and higher lows in the RSI as well. So there's nothing bearish or negative about the RSI. You're not creating any sort of bearish divergence or anything like that at the moment. So it's all good, it's all good basically. Equally, what I want to show you right now is the Bitcoin market cap chart just here. Okay, so if you take a look at this particular level where we are right now, okay, this for me is, let's try and get that knob on for you, right about there, isn't it? So we'll drop that in. That for me is your $1 trillion market cap, okay, and it looks as though Bitcoin's coming back to it and holding it as support. Now look where you are on the weekly as well. You're above the 20, and like I said to you, you're holding a 20 for support. You're in an uptrend, my friend, on any time frame. So right now on the weekly time frame for Bitcoin on the market cap, you're bullish as so there's no reason to be fearful. I don't understand why people are so fearful. You've come up beautifully in your retracing, to a beautiful level of support at the moment. There's nothing fearful or bearish about this chart. It's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. If we take a look at the total market cap here as well, which I do cover in the daily updates here for Bitcoin, the market health check. Look at what you're doing right now. You're holding the previous high. Okay, let's move that down, knob on just down to that close. You're holding that on the weekly. Look at that. You're coming back to its support. You've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 beautiful weeks of green without a retrace. Okay, so you're retracing. You're holding a key level support. Bounce off it, continuation of the trend. You understand that? You're coming back to the neckline of a large cup and handle pattern, which I gave you, as you can see, you ran into the 1618 and you're coming back to a key level support. So your key level support is this previous neckline, okay, which is a previous all-time high, and equally the neckline of a cup and handle pattern. Worst case scenario, you have a little wick down onto 20, come back up, and then you've got your support off the weekly 20. And like I said to you, when you're holding that weekly 20, you're in an uptrend, my friend. Okay, so there's nothing bearish or negative about the charts at the moment. They're coming back for a key level support for continuation of the trend which you're in, which is an uptrend. You're in a bull market, okay? There's no bear market here. It's bear market hopium. And anyone that's selling you that or telling you that is talking out the bumhole, basically. So yeah, you've got to appreciate, people forget to zoom out. Look, you've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 green weeks there, a 3-week retracement, and then you put in another 7 weeks, beautiful upside, and you're having a couple of weeks retracement here. Even if we have another retracement next week, another 3-week retracement like we did here, as long as we hold a key level support, you're looking at continuation. But right now you can see you're coming back to this key level support just there, which is a neckline, and the previous all-time high just there for Bitcoin, crypto, sorry. So you're bullish. It's absolutely amazing. You're looking at continuation. So I don't know why people are getting really, really bearish. I honestly don't. You're holding support and you want to retrace and hold these key level support. So I did say to you I would look on the 4-hourly time frame, see if we can see any kind of pattern starting to emerge just here for Bitcoin. Okay, so yesterday yesterday we put in a bit more of a roll, didn't we, just here, because we were creating this kind of, what was that? It wasn't even a double bottom. You can see it's a continuation trend just there. But right now we do seem to be creating some kind of ascending triangle on the 4-hourly time frame just there. Okay, so just here we've got some kind of ascending triangle on the go at the moment. You can see you've got a key level of resistance and a key level of support. So essentially, you know, you are coiling up here in some kind of apex, okay, and some kind of double bottom pattern as well. You've got key level resistance here for Bitcoin. Once you start to break that and get back above the EMAs, you can see that you're going to tackle this level of resistance just here, which is this falling wedge, okay. And once you start to break out of that, you're looking at retracement to each point of contact in the falling wedge, okay. So you could be looking at a beautiful break here to the upside over the next couple of days here for Bitcoin, because you're coming very, very close to the apex of a falling of a W bottom pattern, and equally a ascending triangle just here for Bitcoin, okay. So hold this key level support. Let me move that up a little bit. You can see where that is as well. That's a 1272. So like I said to you, you're caught between a rock and a hard place at the moment. You're caught between a 1414 and a 1272, okay, of this impulsive break that you've done. Now like I said to you, if you do start to see a roll here, you might see a flash crash down to this 1618 at 51616. Put some cheeky bids in down there, because I do think you get a flash crash, little wick, come back up into the apex, and then break out this bullish reversal pattern here, this large falling wedge that you're starting to form for Bitcoin, okay. But this is quite a nice little bullish pattern that you're creating just there, okay. This little W bottom pattern and essentially a ascending triangle just there, okay. Do you see that? So it's good. So this is a key level resistance just there, and the 1272 is just there at 55088, and you can see you've got the 20 coming down on your head as well, the 20 EMA on the 4 hour. So once you start to get back above that, you will actually have being a technical target from there to there. Let's have a look where that takes you. So once you start to break out wherever it is, you're looking at a lovely little impulsive break, and you're probably going to come up and retest the 55 at that point, okay. Hit your head, get rejected, potentially come back down to this as support, and then break up out of this level of resistance there, and then you've got your reversal just here for Bitcoin. Come back up or something like that, break this resistance, and then you've gone. It's all about this resistance right now for Bitcoin, okay. You come up and you break this level of resistance just here, then you're going to put an impulsive break to this high, to this high, and to this side, and you're going to get the full retracement here. Now where are you going to go on the next impulsive break? Let's have a look at that. Let's zoom out, okay, for Bitcoin on the daily time frame right now. Let's have a look where this impulsive break could actually take us. So like I said to you, you're going to have resistance above. You're going to have key resistance just there, 59187, and you've got key resistance there at 65641. And you've got obviously the all-time high there as well. So you know, if this is the low and we don't roll out of here, and we're holding the 20, holding the 111-day moving average, we're holding this trend line, and we're starting to form a beautiful double bottom here for Bitcoin. If we do start to do that, and this is the low, then this is your next impulsive break target, okay. For me, you're looking at 81k, 811110 basically for Bitcoin. But we did get overextended by around about 9-10% I think on the previous impulsive break. So if we do start to do that again, then you're looking at around about 88k for Bitcoin. Let's watch this space, eh? It's got a lot of work to do, you know, it has got a lot of work to do. Let's watch this space. But at the minute, you do seem to be forming some beautiful little reversal pattern just there. You've definitely got a level of resistance of 5498, which is basically the 1272 fib at 54950. If you start to see Bitcoin get back above that, close it out. Let's take a look on the hour. We're looking on the hourly time frame. Yeah, you can see you're struggling there. You're getting above it and you're coming back down. So yeah, you're definitely creating some kind of ascending triangle just there. This is bullish. This is good. The reversal might be in here. Okay, hopefully it would be nice. You know, you're creating some lovely little structure here, high highs and high lows. Okay, doing something like this, coming up as your point of contact, create some beautiful little W bottom pattern here. Break this level of resistance. You're looking at target just there, which would be that. Okay, 56362. From that point there, that'll be a nice little long up of around about 2.54%, and with that you can see you're getting back above the EMAs on the hour, holding back to the support, and this is what you want to see. You know, to get reversal, you want to see the break back above the EMAs, start to come back up. Now are we looking on the daily on the EMAs? So yeah, we're looking quite overextended, to be honest with you, a bit far away from him, and we're potentially putting some kind of EMA retest just there. We get the slingshot. We did get a death cross just here where we rolled over, created double bottom, got the death cross, and then we come back up and create the slingshot and the buy and go to the beach signal just there. So a very, very similar scenario is playing out just here for Bitcoin, isn't it? Watch this space, everyone. Hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong. Take care. Bye bye.